Okay, good. What God cannot do. Please play the video.
A woman who has provided her shoulders for others to climb on. Happy 60th. You know, Mama, I celebrate persistence. I celebrate consistency. I celebrate a large heart for the kingdom. I celebrate weathering the storms of destiny.
Hi everyone, welcome to CrossBlogX TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Please don't forget to always check the notification button for all our news updates. Today's update is about a man of God, Pastor Jerry Eze. He's a Nigerian pastor and a digital evangelist. Pastor Eze is the founder of Stream of Joy International Church of God. Pastor Jerry Eze has a lot of proud on YouTube. He's a digital evangelist. A lot of people know him for this word he says: what God does not do does not exist. Yes. Pastor Jerry Eze said a lot of things about Pastor Felix-Adejumo. We all know that she just celebrated her birthday a few days ago. And then he said a lot of things about her that Pastor Funké. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, drop a comment. Pastor Funké is a devoted woman of God. Her ministry helps marriages, marital experience tips and all that. Pastor Eze is really proud of her because Pastor Funké is she's very committed to her work. And we also know that Pastor Felix-Adejumo is Naomi's mentor. And we remember a couple of months ago, Pastor Funké-Adejumo invited Queen Naomi to one of our online section and ministration. Yeah, they had one-on-one, people asked questions, and Naomi said a lot of things. And we also know that Naomi, for who she is, Queen Naomi, she's a woman of parable. She doesn't really talk too much. And we realized that we all realized in whatever she said on the platform the other time, that she said she was lost, but now she's found herself. Queen Naomi, she's really doing well for herself. She has gone back to Christ. It's not like she left Christ while she was in the palace, but there was boundaries. But now she's back, and Pastor Funké-Adejumo has been a mentor even before she got married to OOni of Ife, about Jaja second. So Pastor Jerry is really praising Pastor Funké-Adejumo that she's doing well, and I love her so much. She's a sweet lady. She has helped a lot of young people's marriage, even the older generation. She has helped their marriage. She gave the insight, the tips on how to go about it. And Queen Naomi too has she's moving from grace to grace, glory to glory. She's doing wonderfully well. We can see her. She's always from one ministration, one crusade to another. Ever since she left the palace, she's been doing well. So everybody has to move on at the point in time. We all need somebody to look onto, and then that is why Pastor Funké-Adejumo is Queen Naomi Shilekunla's mentor. Yes. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Anyway, I'm happy for Queen Naomi Shilekunla. Here and there, pastors, ministers of God, they always shower blessings, prayers on her. I wish her all the best in her life. And then Pastor Funké-Adejumo, please, mommy, don't stop what you're doing. I like the way you help the marriages, the way you break it down, because I've listened to a couple of your ministration, and I for myself, I've gained a lot, and I'm sure a lot of people have gained a lot. Please watch his video and listen to Pastor Jerry Eze what he has to say about our pastor Funké-Adejumo. Yes, thank you so much. God bless you. Please drop a comment down below. Thank you.
I celebrate being a beacon of light for the world to see. Mama, I am so excited to be able to witness this season of your life. Mama, is there anything that beats good wine? I'm talking about wine that has lasted the test of time. Mama, when I look at you and the wisdom that comes from you, I can only think about when the Bible talks about wine on lees, and that's exactly what you represent. Thank you, Mama. Thank you for being a voice for our generation. Thank you for leaving legacies behind. Thank you for not just leaving footprints, but imprints in the lives of men. Thank you for standing strong for the gospel. Thank you for letting us know that it can be done. Thank you so much for wearing this assignment with grace, candor, elegance, and panache. Mama, there is no way I can go on and on to enumerate all that you represent in this just single video. You are worth more than it. Thank you for going international when some of us, all we did was just to admire and look. Thank you for letting us know that it can be done, and it is being done in our generation. Mama, what do I pray for you that you are not already? All I am saying is, may the grace of God abound bountifully in your life like never before. We celebrate you, Mama, on behalf of the entire Streams of Joy International, my wife, Eno, and the entire world who celebrate that grace that you carry. We're saying it's a new season, and this will even be greater, will be more fireful, will actually be more impactful than all the years that you have ever lived. Thank you, Mama. I will not forget to say, Mama, did I just see a picture of where you matriculated to go and start reading law? Mama, the question I'm asking, what are you looking for? What are you looking for? But then again, this is you letting us know it is not late to start anything. You can begin anything, and you can be everything that you want to be. Mama, I truly salute. Thank you for all that you are. Happy 60th. You know we love you, and we will continue to love you. God bless you.
Ladies